Hey, what? Ray Mack. Hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? This your boy Ray Mack. Today we're doing a Soul Food Sunday collaboration. That's what the collaboration is going to be called. Hashtag Soul Food Sunday. And the people who I'm doing the collaboration with is SoulFood Cooking. Check out SoulFood Cooking's channel. And also Smoking and Grilling with AB. And I think a few more other channels will be doing this here collaboration. So we'll be using the hashtag. And then we got other people that's out here right now that's on this up here. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here fishing on a Sunday. And I'm also going to be doing a narration of this here video while I'm out here on the pier. So you will be hearing some wind in the background. That's just me out here doing the narration of the video. So let's get into the video and you guys stay tuned and let's have fun. Before I get into the video, check out this here North Carolina barbecue shrimp and sausage skillet and this here Ray Mack's homemade Memorial Day coleslaw recipe along with these homemade crispy French fries recipe. You'll love it. So with this here recipe that I'm doing today is a beef stew recipe and rice. So I want you to go ahead and clean out your meat. Clean your meat very well if you have to. You know what I'm saying? Well, it's a must that you clean your meat. And then go ahead and add water to your pot, and I got this on medium-high heat, and I just want you to put the water level just enough. Let the water just come above the meat, but do not submerge the meat totally in water, but just enough to cover the meat. Along with that, what we're going to do is add in a nice sized onion. So I got here 2 medium-sized onions that I sliced up, and I'm adding to the pot. And I'm also going to add in some black pepper. And these are some of the basic seasonings that I pretty much start out with. So we got black pepper, and then I'm going to add in some of this here kosher salt. And next, I'm going to add in some of this here beef flavoring. All right, this is Nora's beef flavoring. This is some good stuff, y'all. And like I said, I'm recording this on the pier. I'm doing a voiceover on the pier, so you will hear some wind in the background. So go ahead and throw your lid on that pot and let it cook for at least around about an hour or so. So if you could, take you some flour along with some water and make you a slurry just like I made here. Now the hour is up. So what I'm going to do now is just pretty much add the slurry, the flour and the water slurry to this here pot. But I want you to go ahead and mix this while you're pouring, because it will turn into dough. So you don't want dumplings in your beef stew. All right. So after that, we're going to add in some of this here. This is beefy onion soup mix, Lipton onion beefy soup mix. This is going to give it a nice beefy and onion flavor as well. Added flavor, I must say. So you go ahead and mix this in, and we're going to add in a few more ingredients. It will just jazz up the taste of your beef stew. So I'm going to add in some of this here oregano, basil, and tomato seasoning. And for those of you who do know, I use this stuff and I bought it from Ross. All right, and this is some good stuff here, y'all, I'm telling you. Then I got some garlic and onion seasoning. And you can use whatever seasonings you like for your stews. So I got some garlic powder. Sorry about the wind once more. It is blowing out here on this here pier. And I have some complete seasoning. All right. This is an easy dish. Very easy recipe as well, and very tasteful recipe. You will definitely love and enjoy this. So give it a try. So I have some parsley flakes. All right, so once we incorporated all of our seasonings, what we're just going to do is just mix it all up real good. Then I want you to go ahead and put this on the stove and pretty much cook this for about 1 hour. But before I cook it, I'm going to add in some of this here browning seasoning. All right, so this is just going to bring give it a little color, and just a little bit is all you're going to need. Once we got this stirred up, then you can go ahead and add your lid to the pot, and then let it cook for an additional hour or until your meat is tender. Once your meat is tender, you go ahead and taste this here after the hour is up and see if your seasonings is to your liking. If you have to add more salt, you add it. If you don't, then don't add it. Whatever seasonings you want to give it to fit that flavor profile you like. So we go ahead and stir this up, and I got this ready, and it's ready to serve. My meat is tender, and I'm going to serve this over a bed of seasoned rice. And what we have here along with that, we got us some peas, some cornbread, and some corn pudding. That's exactly what you're seeing in the photo. And I got my seasoned rice in a bowl. After that, we're gonna just cover this right on up with some of this here succulent, tasteful, hearty beef stew mix. This is some good stuff, y'all. I'm telling you right now. Mama will be so proud of you if you was to try this recipe. I'm telling you. And it's like I said, it's very simple and easy. Some of your ingredients is definitely in your cabinets. So go ahead and try this here recipe, and trust and believe me, you will enjoy it. And once again, forgive me of all the wind background noise. I'm out here on the pier trying to hurry up to finish this video because this is going to be an awesome collaboration. And like I said, you will see the hashtag SoulFood Cooking. If you see that hashtag, go ahead and click on it. These are people who are participating in this here Soul Food Sunday meals. We're giving you the best of what we can give you as far as it goes with Soul Food Cooking. And as you see, we got some cornbread, some corn pudding, and some sweet peas to go with this here beef stew and rice. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to this here YouTube channel, I want to say welcome to the Ray Mack family. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now as we speak, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I want to tell you guys thank you so much, and I really do appreciate each and everything that you guys do. And if you have any suggestions or any future videos that you would like to see, please leave it in the comment section below. And I thank you and I love you, and I always say this: love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.